Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about something very hot in the market right now. Generative AI. Everyone is talking about ChatGPT, Gemini and Midjourney. But here is the real question. How do you actually become an AI engineer who build these things? Okay, I'm not going to just give you a list of random tools. I'm going to give you a proper step by step roadmap, exactly what to learn, in what order and where to find it. Okay, this video I may be 15-minute long. Okay, so here now I'm going to start. Okay, so first thing, let me clear big confusion. Okay, myth: I need a PhD in math to do generative AI. No, guys, you don't need PhD in math. Okay, you just need a logic, you need a consistency, you do not need to be mathematician. Okay, so this is only for people who already know AI. No, bro, this is myth. Okay, many generative AI engineers started as a normal software developer or even fresh graduates. So relax, if you know how to Google things and you have patience, you can do this. So before you touch ChatGPT or any model, you need to learn three things. Okay. So here you can see in the screen. Okay, this is the foundation. Okay. So first thing you need to learn Python. I mean basic Python. Second thing you need to learn pandas and NumPy. And third is data visualization. Okay, so in Python what you need to learn, you need to know what in Python. So in Python you need to learn loops, function, list and dictionaries and file handling. Okay, you just need to learn these things. Okay, basic of Python, you don't need to learn advanced Python. Okay, it took 2 weeks to learn these things. Okay, and here in libraries you can see here. Okay, so you need to know pandas and numpy. Why? Because AI model understand numbers, not sentence. You need to know how to convert text into numbers. Okay, pandas and numpy do that. Okay, and third is matplotlib. Sorry, data visualization. Third one is data visualization. Okay, so in data visualization, what you need to learn? Learn matplotlib or Seaborn here. Okay, you don't need to be a designer, you just know how to make basic graphs to see your data. Okay, it take 1 month to learn this. Okay, so now we are going to talk about core AI knowledge. Okay, you do not skip this. Okay, I mean you should learn theory here. Okay, so here is where most beginner make a mistake. They directly jump to using ChatGPT API. That is a trap. You need to understand how machine thinks. So here in core AI, first thing you need to learn, that is machine learning basics. Okay, in machine learning you need to know what is the training, what is the testing, what is the overfitting, what is the model evolution. Okay, you don't need to solve complex calculus, just understand the concept. Okay, after machine learning we can move here. Okay, in neural networks. So here in neural networks, what you need to learn? Okay, so you don't need to build one from scratch in pen and paper. You just, I mean, you must know what is input layer, what is hidden layer and what is an output layer. Okay, think of it like this: a neural network is just a yes and no machine that get better with the practice. Okay, and resources, you can learn these things by using this book, Machine Learning Specialization by Andrew Ng. Okay, so watch Andrew Ng's Machine Learning Specialization course on Coursera. Only the first course, don't buy the whole things immediately. Okay, so you can go and watch there in Coursera. Now we enter generative AI specifically. Okay, so this is step 3, the generative AI part. Okay, so here we are going to learn generative AI. So what do you need to learn here? So here you can see you need to learn generative AI core. Okay, what is the transformer? I know this word sound scary, but it's just a technique. Read a simple blog post title. Attention is all you need. Explain simply. Okay, do not read the original paper yet. Okay, and here you need to learn what hugging face. Okay, this is your new best friend. Hugging face is like a github but for models. Okay, learn how to search for a model, load a model using transformer library, run a simple text generation. Okay, and after this you need to learn prompt engineering. Okay, what is it? This is what? This is not just a typing sentence. Learn how to give the system prompt, learn few short prompt, learn chain of thought. Okay, and you can build the project. What kind of project you need to build? You need to build a project like a YouTube comment reply generator. Okay, take 100 comment. Okay, feed them to a model and generate the reply. Okay, so here I already finished this. In transformer you need to learn keyword attention mechanism. Attention is all you need. Okay, in hugging phase you need to learn, okay, how to search, how to load, and how to generate the text. Okay, and prompt engineering you need to learn system prompt, few short prompt. Okay, chain of thought prompt, AI prompt, humans prompt. Okay, so this is our third step, generative AI course. Okay, first thing you need to complete these three things: transformer, hugging face, and prompts. Okay, after this we move here, job ready tool. If you want job, you need to learn these tool. Now you can see here in the screen job ready tools. Okay, you need to learn LangChain, vector database, racks, and APIs. Okay, so first thing you need to learn LangChain, this one. Okay, so what is the LangChain? So LangChain is the most important library right now. It helps you connect a multiple AI model together. For example, if you want to build a chatbot that can also search the Google and also read a LangChain. Okay, and second thing is vector database. So normal database store a name, numbers. Now you can see here vector database store a meaning. Okay, or we can use tool for vector database like Pinecone, Baby8 or ChromaDB, and learn what is an embedding. What is an embedding? Okay, this is a where AI understand the similar things. And after this you need to learn RAG. Okay, what is the RAG? So this is a big word, simple meaning. Give the AI your own private data like company manuals and let it answer question based on that. This is what 80% of company want right now. Okay, so here you can see your private data, LLM, and smart answer. It will give you a smart answer. Or you can see this is also diagram. Okay, if you have PDF, then you need to do embedding and you need to store these embedding inside the vector database in the form of vector, and LLM generate the answer if you're going to ask the answer. Okay, and third thing, that is API. Okay, so learn how to call OpenAI API here. Learn how to call OpenAI API, Gemini API, or Cloudy API. Also learn how to use open source model from Hugging Face. Okay. Now you can move here in project part. Project is the most important thing. Okay. Project is more important than your certificates. So your resume means nothing without the project. Build these three things. Okay. First thing is beginner project. Okay, so here you can see chatbot with PDF board. User load a PDF, AI answer the question from it. Okay, so you can build this project as a beginner. Okay, and we can see here intermediate project. An AI agent that can book appointment, it should check a calendar and suggest free slot. Okay, so you can also build these kind of project. Okay, and third one is advanced project. Okay, so here a fine tune model, you can use a fine tune model, take a open source model like llama 2 and train it on your own small data set like customer support chat and deploy it. Okay, put all these things on the github and write a readme file and show your work there. Okay, now we are going to talk about free learning resources. Okay, so guys, where do you learn these things? You can use Hugging Face course by using by using YouTube, or by using any tutorials, blog, whatever you can search there. Okay, and full stack deep learning also, we have different website. Okay, deeplearning.ai. Okay, and there is a lots of YouTube channel, you can go and check there. We also have documentation, different tutorial, different blogs also. Okay, and here you can use Andres Carpathy YouTube channel also, and you can also use LangChain documents. Okay, guys, or these like you don't need to spend 5,000, 50,000, 1 lakh for these boot camp. You can learn by your own. Okay, do not need to spend money. Okay, if you want to spend money, then you can invest in cloud. Okay, you can buy some credit of cloud, and then you can go there and build your model and train there. Okay, don't spend money in these boot camps. Okay, there is a lots of resources that is available free. Do not need to buy any course. Okay, so look, generative AI is moving very fast. You feel lost, that is normal. The person who win is not the only who know the everything. The person who win is the only who keeps building. Okay, so start today, make mistake, break things. That is how you learn. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, comments below. Which step are you on right now? I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.